I'm Jen Carlman with InLab News. We are here in Silicon Valley at the 2010 Fall Demo Conference. Earlier we spoke with a company called Primal. We talked with Peter and Yvonne, both co-presidents of that company, and I'm joined now by Larry, who is the newest member on their board of advisors. So Larry, thanks for being here. First of all, give me a little bit of background on yourself and why the transition to join Primal.
Sure. Yeah, I've been in the Valley roughly about 16 years working in the technology space. I've worked at companies like Apple, IBM, eBay, and for the last 4 years I worked at Yahoo, and I was basically heading up consumer products for search there. And so we had really started to investigate semantic technologies to say the web has been growing, it's been exploding. It's just the number of documents that are being created with Facebook and Twitter has caused an entire explosion of just content on the web.
Sure.
And while search has been a great solution up until this point, it's not perfect. There's still a lot of work that a consumer has to do to get meaning out of the web. And so what we really see is the evolution of the web is taking all that data and putting a layer of understanding and meaning on top of that. And that's essentially where Primal semantic technology comes into play. And so I'm really excited about working with these guys because I think they have a technology that's going to allow a lot of the tasks that you do every day as a consumer, as a publisher, as an advertiser, as a developer, and automate it. It's going to bring the promise of saying, how do you take everything that you're doing, make it easier and make it faster?
I can't imagine anyone who's going to not want that. I certainly, as a consumer, would want that. How do you think, Larry, Primal's technology is going to revolutionize or change the way consumers interact on the web?
So I think the big difference right now is as a consumer, it's a lot of work for you to say, here's a keyword, bring back a bunch of documents.
Right, or you get overwhelmed with so much stuff that there's no relevance.
Yeah, I think at first people are excited. It's like, oh great, there's all this content, there's all this data, and then when they start to have it flowing by, they're like, there's too much. I can't make sense of it. And so what Primal does is say, tell us how you think. How do you think about this topic? Give us a few words, a few phrases. We will take that. You basically told us how you think, we're going to tell you what's important for that topic. And so they basically construct a thought network and say, let's return all the best of the web for you automatically, dynamically. You do not have to generate a page. It generates pages for you.
Yeah.
So essentially on the consumer side, you know, it's fantastic. You're getting this great information with very little effort. As a publisher, it allows anybody to say, here's what I'm trying to write about, generate these documents for me from the best of the web, and now almost anybody can be a publisher.
Right. Very exciting. Well, Larry's certainly a man with lots of years of experience with just working with a few of the big companies, Yahoo and Apple, and just a few of the small ones. The company, again, is Primal, and we look forward to seeing what you guys are going to do with the web. Thanks so much.
Thank you.